Hello everyone, now we will introduce how to use Launch subscription renewal card to update car software. Firstly, please update X431 app version to v3.00.04 or later. Secondly, log in X431 account. Please check whether its serial number is current. Then click Renewal, then you will see two ways to update software. Thirdly, choose subscription renewal card, enter the renewal card password. After successfully activation, new software expiration data will be displayed. Now you can click one key update to update the car software. Finally, if you need to check PIN cards or purchase information, pleasure click Profile, My Order, and click Inquire Subscription Renewal Card states to check it.